All right, guys, I'm Chad, no coffee needed, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And today's cook is pork pot roast and baked potato on the pit balls. Guys, you gotta try this. But today's cook goes out to Mike Saggis in Greenwood, South Carolina. We appreciate all of the feedback you've been giving us over the last couple of months. We thank you for all of your views. But Mike Saggis, today's cook goes out just for you, buddy. Now let's get started. Hey guys, and welcome back to No Coffee Needed. I'm Chad, right here in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we are so glad that you are joining us today. We've got something special for you. We're gonna do a pork roast, no coffee needed style, but guys, feel free to change things around, do it the way that you wanna do it. But we've got a pork roast, 8.5 pound Boston butt. We're gonna do this pork roast on the pit boss. But we're gonna do something a little bit special. We're gonna season this thing up for 2 hours. We're gonna season it up, throw it on the pit boss for a couple hours, bring it inside, put it in our iron pot, our cast iron pot, and go put it back on the pit boss for about 3.5 hours. After that, gonna bring it out and gonna put this over some baked potatoes that we're also doing on the pit boss. Guys, I'm telling you, you will absolutely love it, love it, love it. Without a doubt. So anyway, that's what we're doing, guys. And if you hadn't already, we'd love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give us a big thumbs up. Make some comments down below. Please invite your friends to this channel. Get them to like it, guys. I'm telling you, we love cooking. We love sharing our recipes with you. And if you try these and you do something a little bit different, we want to know how it turns out. What did you do to make yours specifically? So give us some feedback. Tell us what you're doing. Guys, we appreciate it, everything that you do. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. What we've got, 8.5 pound pork roast. We've got some no coffee needed 3-peat seasoning. This is basically salt, pepper, garlic, has a little bit of onion powder in it, has some paprika in it. Guys, we're gonna season this up just like we would do a steak. We've also gonna use some butter. We got some whole peppers there. We're gonna use some Lipton onion mix, Lipton onion soup mix. We're gonna do some pork gravy, and we're gonna use chicken stock today. But anyway, the first thing we wanna do is we got this on a pan. Guys, you can see right here, we've got that pork roast. We're gonna take it out. We're just gonna season this pork roast up really, really good with this 3-peat seasoning, which is basically your SPG. And you want to do this on all sides. Guys, and I'm telling you, this is going to be fantastic. There's a little bit of fat there. We got to get rid of that little wing right there. Get that off. There we go. We're not going to, we can score that fat just a little bit. It's no big deal. But like you can see, it doesn't have much fat on it whatsoever. So we're not doing much trimming on this one. It came out of the package just like this. Just get this seasoned up on all sides. Man, I'm telling you, we're gonna put this on the smoker for about 2.5 hours to get some smoke in this thing, get this seasoning hooked on this just right. We're gonna put this on the pit boss, 270 degrees for about 2 hours. Get this just where it's starting to turn a little golden brown. Gonna take it off the pit boss, bring it back inside, mix up a few things, guys. So don't go anywhere. Let's get outside and get this on the pit boss. Come on. All right, guys, we got the pork roast outside. We got the smoker. She's running about 260 right now. We're gonna just open it up. Take this pork roast, we're gonna set it fat side down. Right there, let it start getting some good smoke in it. Let it run 260, 270 for about 2 hours. Come back out here, we'll check it, make sure that it's the right golden color we're looking for. So anyway, guys, see you in about two and a half hours. All right, guys, we have had this pork roast on the smoker, 270 degrees for right at 2 hours. What we want to do is take it off. That is exactly what we're looking for right there, guys. Look, that all that seasoning has set in just like we wanted it to. Got that beautiful golden look to it. Man, let's get this inside, get it finished up, get it in that cast iron pot and back on the pit boss. Guys, let's get inside and check this and finish this up right quick. Come on. All right, guys, we got this pork roast off the pit boss. Sat on there just a hair over 2 hours, 270 degrees. It is looking great. What we want to do is get it in this cast iron pot right quick. So the first thing we want to do now is take a half a cup of that chicken stock and put in here. Then we're gonna take some green onions. Now we cut a little bit off the heads of those the other day for something else, but we wanna take these green onions and just kind of lay them in here in the bottom, just like so. Then we're gonna take this and leave the fat side down and lay on top. Look at that, fit perfect, just like it was made for that pot. Set it right there on top of those onions. Then we're gonna take this pork gravy mix, just like this, and we're just gonna sprinkle it all over the top, just like that. Then we're gonna take this onion soup mix, sprinkle on top of that. We're gonna take some pats of butter. We're just gonna put it on the top just like so. Don't be scared to use a little butter now. Don't be scared to use it. I promise you it is gonna be fantastic. Then we're gonna take some whole pepperoni peppers, not pepperonis, taking a couple of these whole peppers and just setting them in here. Just like so. We're gonna take the lid and cover this just like that. Gonna take it outside, get it set on the pit boss, 270 degrees for about three and a half hours. But before we do that, we gotta get our potatoes ready, because I'm telling you, we're gonna put, when that pork roast comes off the pit boss, we're gonna shred it with our fingers. It's gonna be so tender. Gonna pull it apart, gonna cut these potatoes wide open, gonna set that pork roast and all those juices on that potato, and I'm telling you, that's gonna be a meal, sure enough. So what we wanna do is just take real quick, punch some holes. One potato and one piece of tin foil. What we want to do is just liberally coat this with salt, just like that, just really good. Then we're going to take some more butter, lay it right there on top, just like that. Guys, we're going to take it and wrap it up really tight. Set that on the pit boss just like that for 3 hours. Let's set this to the side, get the rest of these done, and then guys, I'll meet you out at the pit boss to get it all set on there. What you say? Now we cooking, baby. No coffee needed style. Woo, woo! All right, guys, we are out here at the pit boss. We got the pork roast in this cast iron pot. Gonna set it right there for three and a half hours. We're gonna take these potatoes you saw us just get ready. We're gonna put these back here at the back. We're gonna let all of that run three and a half hours, give those potatoes a good time to cook and get very tender, just the way we like those potatoes. It'll give that pork roast time to cook. and get up to about 205 degrees and it'll just fall apart in all of those juices. Guys, don't go anywhere because in 3.5 hours, we're gonna take this off, get it on that potato and give it a taste test. Guys, now you're cooking, no coffee needed style. Hey guys, welcome back to the Pit Boss. It has been running about 260 for about right at 2 hours and 45 minutes. So we're gonna give this a check, see how everything's looking. Oh man, got a little bit of butter coming out of the side of that. Oh, that potato is perfect. Let's take this and see what our pork roast is running. Oh guys, can you see this? That is just amazing. Look how good. Man, that just looks so delicious. See what that's running. 209. That is like, God, just like how tender that is. That probe just goes in there. God, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy. We're gonna go ahead and grab these potatoes. Grab the potatoes, grab this pork roast. We're gonna run inside, let this pork roast rest for about 20 minutes inside that iron pot, cast iron pot, get these potatoes inside, guys, and then we're gonna give it a taste test, so don't go anywhere. Just meet me inside and we got this. We're so excited to get this taste test done. Man, let's get this plate. Hold on a minute, let me grab a fork and a knife. What we want to do is get these peppers, take those out. Look, just look. Look at that. That just comes, that bone just came right out of there, just the way it's supposed to. Look, you can just take your hand. Look how easy that just comes apart. Still a little warm. But we're just taking this and pulling that pork apart. Look at that. Look, just with a regular fork, that's just coming apart so easy. Look at that, man. Hey, we can't get by without talking to Bo. Check out Bo. And what is Bo gonna get? He's gonna get the bone out of that Boston butt. Sit, buddy. Check him out. Bo just said, thanks, guys. Appreciate you watching. And he gone. All right, guys, this pork pot roast is finished up. We did it on the Pit Boss. We cooked it on there for 2 hours. Then we put it in this cast iron pot. You'll see, you know everything we did. Don't worry, the entire recipe will be in the description down below. But guys, I'm telling you, we cut this baked potato open, packed it full of that pot roast. I'm telling you guys, if you could just smell it, it smells so good. Man, we gotta try this. I just can't wait. Man. Oh God, look at that. Get a big piece of that. Look at that right there, man. Get a little more pot roast. I'm telling you, you've got to try this, guys. Oh, I wish you could smell it. Oh God. Man, that saltiness and butter on that baked potato skin. That pork roast is so good. It is melting in your mouth. Man. Guys, that pot roast is amazing with that baked potato, with that butter and that salt just caked on the outside of that skin. When you bite into it, I'm telling you, there's nothing like it. Pot roast, pork pot roast, guys. on the pit boss with that baked potato. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. It is amazing. Anyway, we love you. Until next time, now you're cooking. No coffee needed style.